Hi guys, what's going on? In this video we're going to talk about Litecoin and the chart of Litecoin. So most of the time when you see some crazy sequence of green candles, you're going to be very tempted to just go ahead and jump in and buy calls, or in this particular case just go long the futures on Litecoin. So over the next few videos, guys, I'm going to bring some light to trading crypto. And for those of you who never traded crypto before, guys, it's very simple. Actually, in some instances, it's a lot simpler than trading options on stocks. But charts come in play. It doesn't matter when you're trading something. It helps you identify your entries and exits based off the chart. So instead of just looking at this, most of the traders just take a look at one time frame chart. Hey, it's bullish. You got a ton of green candles. Let's go ahead and fucking buy it, right? Well, not the case. So let's take a look a little closer at the chart of Litecoin to help you understand what's about to happen. Okay, so this is a 3-month daily chart with volume weighted candles. So as you can see, Litecoin's got different setups which you can profit. In this particular case, not necessarily on the bull side, but on the bear side. So when it makes a oversized candle on strong volume, or a sequence of candles that leads to a large size candle on the upside, okay, shortly after you can have some major sell-offs. Here's another example where you have a strong, huge candle on really strong buy volume that is followed up by what, 5 red candles. Without taking these two major, not only does it give up all the gains, but it also adds some extra losses on the downside. So that's a move from 105 to 77 right here. Today, on March 29th, we got similar action, and not coincidentally, it begins to stop rallying higher right about this 105 level. So considering that it couldn't take out the level of 105 last time, and if you take a look at the RSI, there's a major case of divergence here. So basically, the first time Litecoin goes to 92 level after being asleep basically forever, the RSI shoots up to this really high elevated level. The second time, price goes higher. Now we're no longer at $92, we're at 105. But yet the RSI is lower than it was over here. And now the third time around, it comes with similar candle formations and similar volume characteristics, but yet RSI can't even hit the prior level where the price was at 105. This is a definite case of a bear divergence. Now, when you're trading crypto, the most critical thing is your entry. In other words, where you can be, okay, an idea is, most of the short sellers could do when we're trading stock options, well, you can get in and temporarily something can go against you and you'll be fine. With these, with trading futures on crypto, your entry is going to be very exact. So like right now, okay, 105.10, 105.5, that's your entry that would coincide with this level right here. So you're basically shorting a level, okay, that you're not going to be able to observe unless you're looking at multiple time frame charts. So also something to keep in mind, if we go to, let's say, a 3-year chart, just for comparison purposes, okay, give you a broader idea of what's taking place. So most of the cryptos such as Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, they're close to all-time highs, but this one is so far behind, right? So it used to be 3 years ago around $400, and now it's I mean, today is at 105.40 right now, but very much lagging a lot of things. And a lot of people can say, but this could be a catch-up trade. Let's compare this to a Solana, for example, and you're going to be looking at basically Solana when we were screaming, hey, buy it at $8, right? We're shorting it at 200, buy it at $8, and now we're back to almost 200. So as a lot of cryptos have recovered and getting close to all-time highs again, Litecoin ain't doing a whole lot. And sometimes, again, people can interpret this as a, well, this is a catch-up trade, right? They're talking about the ETF for Litecoin. They're talking about the ETF for Ethereum. So this could be the next big ones, right, as far as their moves. But it is because of that speculation that they have run up already. And yet, with the speculation of an ETF, Ethereum is really lagging Bitcoin, and it is unable to reach those highs that it set a few years ago at around 4,700. So sometimes there is a reason why something is lagging when we're talking about stocks or crypto. And for that reason, you identify those levels with high confidence, LTC USD, and you short it, guys. Okay, 105.64. This is a perfect entry right here, right now on the short side, because it's going to make a pullback before it could resume the uptrend. So sometimes things have to drop before they can go higher. So I hope you guys learned something in this brief video about Litecoin Chart, and don't just be mesmerized by the green candles as a lot of traders are, because just at that point where it looks like, okay, it's about to break out, this is exactly the point where it's going to fail and it's going to reverse to the downside. Guys, if you'd like to learn more about trading crypto, give us a call here at 13 Market Moves. Visit 13mmtv.com. Click the big orange button. 10x your account in next 10 trading days challenge. Guys, participate in it. There's no reason not to 10x your account in the next 10 days. Let's roll.